Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IBL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one website blocker project in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like in my previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video and when I will be uploading. So it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things and more new projects related to Python and many other languages which I will be uploading further on. So here now we will be starting with our project, which is called website blocker. So for building one website blocker project, first of all you have to do one thing, like you have to go to folder here. Then here you have to just go to local disk C, go to users, and here you have to just go to your Android name, means your desktop name which you have just have. Then you have to just search for system32 folder here, which is just coming. So I'll be going back, then go here, and you can see there is coming like that. So go here again, then you have to just go like that, and here I'll be doing one thing like go forward. Okay, so go into local, then here you have to go to roaming, and like that you have to just search about these things. So when you just done with that all, you have to go back here also, and you can also go to like program data and just search. And here if I just go back, and if I go here and search about like system32 folder, here you have to write system, and here press enter. Then you can see that there is not any of the folder like that. If I just scroll down, you can see nothing happens here. So scroll down here. Okay, so here you can see there is not any folder like that. So here you can see now we are just getting, so I'll be pressing that here, go to drivers, and you can see nothing happens there also. Then here you will be also getting two folders which we are getting of system32 like that. I'll be pressing second one, and here we are also not getting the thing which we want. So here I'll be going back, and I will be doing one thing like go back here also, then go here, and here you can see that we are just getting the things which we want. Now when you've just done that all, go back here and go here in program file. Then you have to just scroll down to see the folder which you have just searching about. Then go back here, and when you've just done with that thing, go to users here, and then you have to also go to the public folder. You can just check that, then go into just folder which you are just having here. Then I'll be just scrolling down underneath, going underneath here, and you have to just search about the folder which we have to just searching. So here I'll be writing that, press enter here, and it will be just getting all the folders related to system which we have written in searching box. You can see that all the folders are coming, and if I just scroll down, so you will be getting all the files also. Okay, you can see. And when you've just done with that things, you have to go forward, and like that you can just work with these things which we want to. Now here when you've just done with that things, here you have to do like you have to go to Windows and system32. Okay, so I'll be going here, then go here, and you have to go to Windows here. And now here when you've just done that, I will be scrolling down here, and here just you have to scroll down. You can see system32 folder, open that here. Then I will be doing one thing like I'll be scrolling down here, and you have to just go here. Okay, so here when you've just done with that things, you have to just go to drivers here. So here just come, go at the top and search the folder for drivers. So here I'll be writing that, press enter here, and you can see there is the folder. I'll be pressing this here, then go here, and you can see we are just getting host file here. So I'll be pressing right click in that, then I'll be doing one thing like I will be just pressing advanced. Okay, so here you have to just open with. So I will be writing like open with, and press notepad here, and okay. So you can see now this file has been just opened with notepad here. If I just show, so here when you've just done with that, I will be pressing here, and here you can also open this file also with live if you want to from here. So here if I just press more like, and you can see that we are getting files. So I'll be pressing OK, and you can see we are just getting these things like here. From here you can just do one thing like if you don't want to just write any website, okay, so just block from here. You can just block your website blocker like by writing that. So here I will be doing one thing like go here in your web browser, and you can see we are just getting these things here. And then you have to do one thing like here you can see I have just, now we have to make our file to just work with. So here I'll be pressing right click, then I'll be going to new, press Python file here, and I'll be writing web.py. So to make up my file name, so I'll be pressing enter here. Now you can see our file has been made. Now I'll be just zoom in, so you can see my codes which I will be writing here. So first of all you have to go to terminal and download one package, like you can also say extension. So I will be saying package which should be like pip install, and you have to download here and I'll be pressing enter. So you have to just wait some while because it will be take some minutes or time to just download this, and I've just already downloaded and my is coming error. So if you don't have download, so it will be not coming error of you. So I've just already done that, so because of that there is coming error here. Now I will be doing another thing, like I will be coming here, creating pip install here, and in this pip install I will be writing that to like web browser, and here when you just done that all, I'll be pressing enter here, and you can see this is also installed in that, and there it is not having any of the latest version also. So because of that there is coming requirement already satisfied here. And when you've just done with that things, you have to come here and download a extension which is called pip install, and you can also download Python wheel. So here you can write that, but it will be not having that. So here you can also download one extension which is called wheel here, like previously I have shown you. So you have to download that in your Python project of this one. Then when it will be just done, so it will be good to go. Then you can just work with your work. Then you have to just write Python pip install below, because it is also a text which you can work with here. You can see that now there is also coming requirement already satisfied is done. So when you've just done with that thing, so you have to do nothing, save here by pressing save button. And here you have to do one thing, like you have to write import URL. Okay, so now here I will be writing like import web browser. You can see it is coming here. Then I will be coming here and creating URL equal, and here I'll be doing nothing, just here I will be writing this sign, and here you have to just paste the URL of website which you have to block. So here I will be going here, then I'll be going forward also and going back in that. So when you've just done that, I will be closing that, go to new tab here, and just you can write like, if I just press that, and here I will be copying this here, and I'll be doing one thing here, I'll be erasing that from here. Then I will be coming here and I'll be pasting my text URL, means the URL of the website which I have to just block. Then I will be coming here and writing like print URL, and because we have just written URL at the top, now I will be coming underneath also, then creating like web browser dot block, and here I will be writing like equal input. Then I will be writing that to like block. So I'll be writing block this URL or website, you can say. So I'll be writing block this URL and website. So when you've just done that, I will be coming underneath here. Then I will be writing here like web, and I'll be just taking it to web dot browser. Then here I will be changing this to like dot, and when you've just done that all, first of all I will be coming, and here I'll be writing nothing, just I will be writing equal to, and in that I will be writing like browser dot block. So when you've just done that, I will be erasing this quantities here and this one also, because now we don't need these things. Then I'll be writing brackets and close that. So here till here we have just done, and I hope till here you understand that all things. Now I will be coming here also, then writing a tag which will be just having URL, and here I'll be writing like dot block dot browser. Then here I will be changing this to like dot input, and when you just done that, I will be writing here like web. So here when you've just done that, and I'll be writing web browser. Okay, so when you've just done that all, I will be coming underneath and creating a tag which should be just print, and here I will be writing print web browser dot block dot URL. So it is done. So you just come underneath here and create URL dot block equal print, and I'll be writing here like browser, and I will be doing one thing, like first of all I will be erasing here, then I'll be writing browser dot input. And here when you've just done that all, I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming underneath and it is good to go. So when you've just done that, I will be saving here again, press save all button, because here we have to save these all things which we are working with. So here we have just done that. Now when you've just done that all, you have to just run that by pressing run button, and you can just go like press web, because here this is a web which we are just making. Press web here, and you can see now here it is like block this URL and website. You can write yes, and you can see that there is nothing happened. So there is written like browser is not defined here. So you can just write like browser like that, and I will be doing one thing, like in 6 it was just coming. So I'll be coming here and I will be defining browser by writing this, and I'll be writing equal print browser. So when you've just done that all, here you have to do one thing, erase that from here and write browser in this like this, right? So when you've done that, just I will be doing one thing, save all and erase this web from here. Now it is done, and just change it to web block. So when you've just done that all, I will be saving and it is good to go. Press run button again from here, And when you've just done that, you can see it is asking the URL which we have just pasted to just block that. Now this website has been just blocked. If I show you here, so you have to just go here and go to host by opening that with notepad, and you can just write google.com, then press enter. Save that by pressing Ctrl S. Come here, go to Google, and if I press Google, so you can see it is opened. Now if I just go to website which I have just blocked by, so first of all I'll be coming, then I'll be writing like that. You can see you have to erase here, write nothing, save and close. So here I'll be just opening this file also, like pressing like that, and I'll be pressing open with more apps and just open with notepad here. So you can see we are just getting all the files which we have to just do like that. You can see that. So when you've just done with that things, close that here, and you can also go to services to just check its services is working or not by pressing open with, and go to notepad, press OK. You can see all the things I'm just getting here which I want to. Here you can check that out. Now I will be closing that here, and it is good to go, so I'll be closing this also. So when you've just done with that, save all which we have just done already. I will be running that again to just confirm that all. So run that, stop and rerun, and you can see it is just working here. Now if I just open this website URL which I have just written, copy this here, and if I go here and press enter, you can see now this written like your file couldn't be accessed, because here we have just blocked that with the help of our web browser tag, from which you can just block any website which is having a virus or it is just attracting to your computer. With the help of that you can just do that, and you can do with any of the website, like I have done that. So you can do with Google, YouTube or any of them, but it will be only blocked in your computer. Don't think like it will be blocked from every computer which everyone is using. It will be only blocked from your own computer if you want to. So here I will be opening that again, press enter again. So you can see it is blocked here. So like that you can just build your own web browser like that. Here you can do that. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you enjoyed my previous project of Python. So just practice these all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python also, like you are a previous one, Python, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So just I will be meeting you in next project.